Greetings everyone. I am Pritish from Electronics Engineering, first year. So in this futuristic event, I'm going to express my views on the question whether AI, ML or quantum computing, these technologies will benefit the humanity or not in the coming years. So, in my opinion, definitely these technologies will be a game changer for the development of humanity and the prosperity of it. Because these technologies will be giving a huge thrust to accelerate the development and to also increase the accessibility of these technologies at a much cheaper costs. So, for example, if I take the AI, AI is having a huge demand as it is having the potential to create intelligent machines who can mimic, who can follow, and who can act in a human behavior. So they can also solve the complex problems and also automate the routine work which are being currently done by humans. So all these things actually makes our lives easier. So if I say in true sense how humanity can be benefited by these technologies, I can explain with it. I can explain it with an example, a small example like humanoid robots as doctors and in medical field. So, for example, in a remote area or in a situation like COVID cantonment zone, a human doctor cannot be available every time, all the time. So, in that case, these humanoid robots can do wonders. These humanoid robots can collect the samples. These humanoid robots can also analyze these samples, also decide what is the patient's conditions, and also do all the necessary things which can be done by a doctor. So even the surgeries are being can be performed flawlessly with these humanoid robots. So one thing is medical facilities, and of course definitely this this feature of these technologies can claim the best achievement of themselves, that is to increase the lifespan and to save the human lives, because these AI robots can also be deployed in strategic areas where the life risk is very high. And also in any other field like basic fields which are must need for a human, like education, medical field, and basic necessities. So these things can be provided, these services can be provided through an AI robot, and through an AI robot. And these will be definitely a deciding factor to decide whether the living standards of humans will increase or will deteriorate. So these things, if a human gets these basic facilities very easily at a very cheaper cost, then definitely the standards of humans will be high, and definitely it will contribute a lot into humanity. So AI can be used in different fields. So AI can be used in cyber security, like AI in cyber security, emotional AI to understand the human behavior, human feelings with verbal and non-verbal gestures, and also we can use these robots in assault or in defense areas, where we can minimize the human life loss. And in many areas, these technologies will be these technologies will be deciding factor of development of the nation itself. So all in all, I want to say that these technologies will definitely be beneficial to the humanity in the upcoming years. Even if they have some shortcomings, they can be managed with the coming technologies to tackle the issues of these technologies shortcomings, and those will definitely be not a big problem. And I would say that on any given day, the benefits of these technologies will do overpower the shortcomings of these technologies. Thank you.